Food Cardiff is a citywide partnership of lots of different individuals and organisations who are all working together collaboratively and strategically to make good food the norm for everyone in the city. So my role is really making sure all the different links of the partnership work together. Then I'm supported by a strategy board which looks at overseeing the development of a citywide food strategy. And the idea is that through those different layers, from the coordination to the strategic to the operational, we create the citywide good food movement reaching hundreds of thousands of people.
I think if we're going to have a big impact on the food that people eat, we need to think strategically. We need to join up all the dots. There's always room for improvement. There's always room for more collaboration. There's always room for new projects. And I feel positive about the future of Food Cardiff and food in Cardiff. And it takes the synergy from everybody working together to actually produce the changes that we need to see.
It doesn't matter where you're from, food is super important, and how we grow and source and access food is important to everybody. There are so many different projects and different groups across the city doing amazing things, but you need a way to bring all those voices and projects together so that people aren't working in silos. It feels like a privilege to be part of.
I think food is everybody's business. And I think no one organisation or group can do it on their own. There's too many facets to it, so we have to come together to enable that to happen. From my point of view, I think it's really important the dietitians are involved, because we bring that nutrition expertise but translate it into really everyday messages that we can include within the Food Cardiff strategy.
If there wasn't a food partnership in Cardiff, I know that there'd be lots of amazing work happening from lots of different people and organisations, because there's so much energy and enthusiasm for making good food accessible in the city. However, if we didn't have the food strategy and the strategic direction, we would probably see more duplication. We wouldn't see as big of impact of people working together and creating things that are more than the sum of its parts.